In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram ads in Canva. We'll start right from the Canva homepage, so go ahead and open Canva in your browser or app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top of the screen for the button that says Create a Design. This is your starting point for any new project in Canva, including Instagram ads. Click on that button to open up the design options. When the search bar appears, you'll want to type in Instagram ads. Canva has a lot of different formats like posts, stories, and reels, so typing the exact phrase helps you get the correct size and layout for paid ads. As you type, Canva will automatically suggest different formats. Take a quick look at the suggestions so you don't accidentally pick something like Instagram story, unless that's specifically what you need. From the list of suggestions, click on the option labeled Instagram ads. This will open a new blank canvas that's already set to the ideal dimensions for Instagram advertising. Using the right size is important because it helps your ad display correctly without being cropped or stretched in the Instagram feed. Once your blank Instagram ad design is open, move your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with different tabs like Elements, Uploads, and Text. Here, you want to click on the tab labeled Templates. Templates are pre-designed layouts that you can customize, and they're a huge time saver, especially if you're not a designer. After clicking Templates, Canva will show you a gallery of Instagram ad designs. You can scroll through and look for one that fits your brand style, your message, or the type of product or service you're promoting. You can also use the search bar at the top of the Templates panel to narrow down your options with keywords like sale, minimal, or beauty, depending on your niche. When you find a template you like, simply click on it and it will automatically apply to your canvas. From there, you'll be able to replace the text, change the colors, and swap in your own images or logo, all while keeping the professional layout that Canva provides. That's the basic setup for creating Instagram ads in Canva. Starting a new design, choosing the correct Instagram ad format, and loading up the templates panel